I missed you guys, kind of, not really, a little. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. We are live on YouTube. Well, best I can gather. Da 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 da. Live trading. Yeah, today is the 19th, Friday, I believe. Free Money Friday. Da 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 da. We were, gee whiz, I don't know where the hell we were. We were somewhere in Mexico a couple times. We were on a Royal Caribbean cruise. It was absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Couldn't recommend cruising. Royal Caribbean, strong enough for you guys. Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du. Hello. Mm, 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 mm. Whew, am I tired? All right. Where do we go? Where am I? Am I live? Yes. Let me go back over to here. Yay. Oh. Oh. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have no idea. Where did I just put that? He's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, ho ho. That's our next one. Yeah, that's a cruise ship. Okay, I don't even know where the hell we're at. Okay, what are we doing? I haven't looked at charts, I think, in like a week. Don't quote me on that, but 6, 7, 8 days. I think maybe 8 days. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see. We're live there. Yeah, we're live on TikTok. Yep, yep, yep. I think we're golden. Oh, man. I actually got some sleep. Not great sleep, but it was okay. Morning. Da, 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 da. If that mockingbird don't sing, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring don't shine, Daddy's gonna choke that mockingbird's neck and strangle it and go get your money back for the ring. I don't know. Isn't that Eminem's version? All right. Who do we got and where do we got it going? I have no... Where's everything going? Has everything gone straight up? I have no idea. 1 minute biceps to the blue line, US 30. Yeah, that looks about right. Let's cruise over to here and see that right there. What do we have? What do we have? What is this time period? 4 hour. Oh, 4 hour buy stop. Who is this? Gold. Gold is going back to $3,676.98. Then it'll be going past, wow, $3,700. Gee, I wonder who told you about gold. Okay, let me go back over here, though, because something's looking fishy. Let me go over to this one first. Let's go over to the 1 minute and see what's going on. What? Oh, no, it's over it. Buy stop to the 1 minute. Blue line's already there. All right. And if that diamond ring don't sing, let's see. All right, we're to the 1 minute. Looks like it's forming. What are we coming down to over here? 5 seconds. 1 second. So we must have been in a hard up. I'm not going to call it officially, but there's a little 1 second to the blue line forming right now. All right. Now, of course, as soon as I say it's not going to do it, all right, we'll call it. I would never trade this. Let's go ahead and do this. And yes, there's buy stops and sell stops happening at the same time. No, it has nothing to do with... Let me get this taken off real quick. Hold on. And let me get this. It always forms an order. There's logic to the buy stops, sell stops. Gonna be a diamond ring. All right, that's better. Now, sell to the 1 second blue line for ES1, but I wouldn't play this trade. I'm just marking it out so I can know when it hits. I'd be looking for the buy stop. It's probably going to form a 1 minute or a 3 minute buy stop on all indices. That's what I would be looking at to play. Some of you don't even realize the basics of the system. Oh, you call a buy and you call a sell. How do you know? Yeah, okay. Actually take a second and learn the system before you go make a fool of yourself. Let's see what the 15... Yeah, 15-second buy stops, baby. There you go. Looking pretty. NAS NQ1 free money giveaway, $24,728.25. Buy stop 15-second, $24,476 on NAS. Free money giveaway on NAS and NQ1. We can watch these go up right now. They'll be heading to here. And, oops, that's a little low, but there. I'm sure these are going to turn into the 30-second / 1 minute buy stops. Yeah, 30-second buy stop, NAS and NQ. You can even call it a 1 minute buy stop if you want. Feel free. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. What's up, old school Mick? What's up, Miami Rocks and Larry Cooper? What's up, guys? Missed y'all just a little, not really, got to be honest. Cruising is so much funner than it used to be. Wow. It was a blast, nonstop. Didn't hurt that Bree and I we profited. We walked out with over $2,000 on slot machines from the casino, paid for the most of the trip. Well, actually, we ended up over $3,500, paid for all the trip, but she ended up with over 2,000. Yay. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube. Just made some call outs for you. There's some free money on NQ and NAS. It's going to go down to the 1 second blue line, then the 5 second blue line, then we'll flip somewhere after that 10 second is hit, and then we'll make some money on the way back up. All right, let's see what's going on. Good morning, Martin Lewis. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, David and Arginus. What's up, Glow? What's up, Mike Glowinski? Old School Mick, Crash, Orlando Walters, Barry Deutsch, Thomas Cowell. I am doing fantastic. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic also. As a mockingbird. Da, 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 da. Yeah, we're doing the little 1 second. Let me see what it looks like over here. Yeah, let me see. We can go down to the 5 seconds. See. And if that mockingbird don't sing, yeah, told you. So ES1, they're going down to their 1 second, 5 seconds respectively. Let it do its, there you go. Told you. Let it do its little movement down. We'll wait for the higher time frames. Go look for a 1 minute buy stop on all indices. Let this fall down to the 5 second, whatever, 10 second, 15 second, wherever it goes to. We'll play the buys on the way back up. If you don't know what a buy stop is, learn the system. Anybody have any questions for me? I've been gone for a while. Is there really only 9 of you here? Holy fuck. Really? Or am I probably haven't updated. Hold on, let me see. There's got to be more than 9 of you or I'm leaving. Let's see. Skip ad. 9? Oh boy, I've really been missed. Good morning, Pay Dude. What's up, peeps? Oh yeah, where's my thing at? There we go. Not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Now, where are we? Touchdown to the 5 second blue line. Yeah, that was an easy call. There you go. All right, so now that we're at our 5 second, you'll see all these turn to 10 second reds. Let's see how that's looking. There you go. There's your 1 minute buy stops forming right here. See, we have a semi-automatic key spot right here. This thing is calling out 1 minute buy stops, as I said, to look for. Then it's calling out a 2 minute buy stop, which will probably form across all the indices. All right, now before we get too far along, hold on 1 second. We have to go over to, yeah, and then we have to go over to here. All right. There you go. Let's see what I have here. I don't even know what the hell I have. Yeah, anywhere in the world. Just got done from a 7-day cruise to Mexico. Cozumel and Puerto de Maya or something. I don't know. Bree knows. I will show you exactly how to trade. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. We are trading future stocks. Yep, that is correct. Happy Rising is someone across the live that can actually help you. That is correct too. I'll be giving out free calls You guys can take them for all you want, and then just buy the system is all I ask. Stay in good karma. All right. Now, upcoming on the show, besides all these correct calls that are now forming, we're going to lock in some noises for us. Look at that right down there. Gorgeous. Let's go up to the 2-minute. Yeah, that's pretty. 2-minute buy stop, all indices. Let's make some noise this morning. I'm pretty tired. Oh, we haven't heard my songs for Precious and stuff. It's okay. Do the best I can. You'll hear all these ding money songs going off here shortly. Da 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 da. I'm gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring, let me move this over a little, don't shine, Daddy's gonna get your money back. I forgot what he says. All right, now we're all set. Now I'll know these things flip around for us. All right, 2-minute buy stop, ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, US30, and YM1. Let it keep falling. We'll watch it as it goes down. We'll know when it flips back over, and we'll get back in on the buy stop. A buy stop is a pending order. If you don't know what a buy stop is, you really need to learn a few things. Learn how to trade. All right.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Smit Patel. Good morning. Oh, by the way, there is more. Hold on. We were sold out. I didn't even know. Oh, shit. One of my members told me. There you go. We were sold out of Safe Trade System the last few days. Whoopsie. There's one left. Yeah, I really don't want to do any more one-on-ones. I'm charging $1,000 for a one-on-one, so please don't get that. I really don't want to deal with one-on-ones anymore. Oh, yeah, I got to play this. Okay, hold on. I haven't heard my song. We did play it on the way home, but that's in a minute. All right. All right. Here we go. Let's listen to some good music. Get us in trading mood. Morning, peeps. Yay, I haven't heard that song in forever. Wow, that was so nice. Now.
Affiliate Marketing 101. Find a clickbait product, build a funnel, run Facebook ads, blah, blah, blah.
All right. Yay. Here is our theme song, which I know I got to get with it. But here we go. Oh. Yay. How we made a song, thank you, Shiraz, about one of our members about trading, and it sounds, I think, very, very good, is an amazing feat. I have no idea how he did that. That was just amazing. All right, so let's go on now. Follow this on the way down. It'll flip and come back up later today. We'll hear a lot of ding-dongs. All right, here we go. Let's go. There you go. Sell stop. There you go. To the 15-second. Let me lower this back down too loud. Sell stop to the 15-second blue line of NQ1, and also NAS and NQ to the 1 minute blue line, but just be patient. They'll see that 2 minute buy stop for me. Look for the 3 minute and then 4 minute buy stop also. That'll be coming up soon. Gee whiz, that looks so far away, but it's just not over there. Let me see if I can get it like that. And then we can see. There you go. I think it's a clear picture on TikTok. All right, now, before we get too far along, let's move this here. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. I'm going to go through our little lists of things, and we're going to see. US 30 has hit record highs as I called it would, and it's actually a closed symbol. I'm only trading it. It's so easy to trade every day. YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1 are similar, all closed trades. They mean it hit every take profit that I've ever called. Gold is also a closed trade. I already called gold this morning. It is literally right now a 10-second buy stop on gold. Absolutely love and adore gold as far as the short-term buys are concerned, but it's hit every take profit on the way up. There's really not much left I can call on gold other than this daily, weekly buy stop that is forming on gold. It is a very nice one. As I called out down here when gold was 3,300, and I told you it would go up. It's going to keep going up because we are on this weekly buy on gold. Look at this shit. Oh, gold is now 80%. Oh, it's right there. Damn, gold. And it's closed its little thing right here. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can find on gold. Silver also hit all record highs. Everything I called out for silver is 100. Here's my list right here. Let's bring this over to here so you guys can see. This is sent out on 8/28. On 8/28, I said daily, weekly buy stop will hit record highs again. Silver will hit record highs over $40 an ounce. This was done on August the 28th. I sent this out. It's a little live I do and a little bulletin I do for the symbols to tell you where everything is going to be going. This is in writing. Anyone here, sevens, if you all remember me sending this out to you all through email, through a live I did multiple times, and then through a Discord post. Sevens, if you guys remember me sending this out to you all multiple ways, where I called for gold to go to record highs, which it has. I called silver to go over $40 an ounce, which it has. I'll wait. Wow, how long of a... That's crazy. Told you be hearing those dingy dings. No one on TikTok's responding? Or am I missing something on YouTube? Sorry, hold on. Maybe I'm missing something. Hey, good morning, Larry Cooper. God bless. Grant and Bradley. Morning, Bradley. So 3 people out of 20 answered with 7s. Boy, you guys are more tired than I am. YouTube, I'm going to give you a few more seconds to answer some 7s, and then I'm going to go ahead and close you off. I haven't been here for a few days. I don't have to be here. I'll stay on TikTok where these people are answering. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Good morning, Barry Deutsch. I'm going to need thumbs up, and I'm going to need some 7s. I didn't even understand. I'm actually literally showing you that I sent this out on 8/28. Literally, name of the PDF is 8/28/25. Gold was called to hit record highs again. Silver was called to go over $40 an ounce. They both did that. Wow. Everybody's out of shape. What's up, Lazarus? Welcome. Good to see you too, Lazarus. All right. We're going to go over my little call outs I did. Litecoin was recommended at $103. We'll go over that too. All right. So we'll come back to this in a minute. Good morning, Paul. What's up, Paul Orlando? And Orlando Walters. Kind of ironic. Your guys' first and last names are, never mind. Actually, if there was a Paul Orlando and there was an Orlando Walters, and if Orlando Walters married a Paula Orlando, his name would be Orlando. Holy shit. Okay, it's early in the morning. Think about that. All right. Let's go over our lists and see what we're going to have. So we have buy stops in place, 2, 3, 4-minute buy stops for all indices. Gold is a 30-minute buy stop. Silver is a 30-minute buy stop. Here is Litecoin. Where is Litecoin at? What has happened with Litecoin? Let's see. Oh, yeah. We're about to engage that daily. Yeah, there you go. Where's it at? 116. I've been recommending Litecoin since 103. Yep. And it's at 117. Litecoin will be going to $121 very, very soon. Then it will go over $133.96. And then Litecoin will be going up from there. Strongest recommendation possible for Litecoin buy stop. Litecoin is a buy stop. How are you doing today, Orlando Walter? I'm doing wonderful. Tired as fuck. We just got back from a cruise, Royal Caribbean cruise. Can't recommend it enough. All right, Nike. This is a good one. I think Nike has been falling since I recommended it. So let's see what we got. Nike will go over $145.77. Unfortunately, or fortunately for us, Nike has a 12-hour daily sell stop we had to get through first, which we're approaching the bottom on that. Nike is gorgeous. Reiterating Nike, it went down to 71. It was beautiful. Nike's buy stop is $73.50. Take profit 1. $75, $77, and $79. I love Nike's daily buy. I love Nike's 6-month buy. Buy stop Nike. I do believe we have a little further to go down. I can go look at that if you want to see how further. But Nike is the strongest possible recommendation buy stop. I love it. It's extremely positive for a buy. Right now, it looks like Nike will go over 105. It will. I'll probably revise these soon. I don't know. I'll have to get with thing and see on that. All right. Nike, strongest recommendation buy. Target, another one that had to get through this daily, weekly sell first. It's still going to dip a little bit more. Love Target, though, long term. Let Target keep going down. It is a 3-month buy, followed on the way down. I think we're almost there, by the way, but neither here nor there. I don't really care. This is a 3-month, 6-month buy. Stop for Target, $106. Love that take profit, $140, and then we'll go over $260 on Target. Let's see. I know we haven't hit any of those things yet. $212. Yeah, I'm going to revise these because we're going to follow this on the way down. So I'll go over that. CVS. Oh, we made real good money with CVS. CVS daily. Excellent. Look at it go. It hit $75 on CVS. CVS go over 92. Let's see if I agree with that still. I mean, look at this. Just perfect take profits right there on the daily, weekly. There we go. 3 weekly. Yeah, absolutely. CVS will be going over $95, over $100, and $109. Estee Lauder, also doing really good. Actually, I'm surprised with Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder daily. Daily buy stop to the blue line. Estee Lauder, $147.89. Good morning, Kaya Alex. I'll answer your questions when I'm done with my call outs. But the short answer is yes. I already did it, actually. Verizon. Let's see what our Verizon call was. $54.54. Hold on one second. We have a perfectly formed 2-minute buy stop live. It's done exactly what I told you it's going to do. Buy stop until I showed you where the take profits were. All indices, buy stop. Just be patient with that. They'll probably turn into a 3-minute or a 4-minute or a 5-minute buy stop. It's perfect for us. That's what Kay is asking about right there. Next, Verizon. Where's it at right now? Where's it going? Let me go to the daily. $43, $44, $45, 3 months. Verizon still has a little movement up, a good movement. I love this, $54. Yeah, I'm sticking with my Verizon call. Love it. SMCI. Let's go back to the daily. Oh, gorgeous. SMCI, perfect. 48, 53, and 56. Let's see what I called. 59. Yeah, I agree with that. That's an easy one. SMCI still a strong buy recommendation.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Kirk Brown. Yeah, we'll get to Intel. Excellent. Congratulations, Kirk. And good morning to you. PFE. We'll go over $34. Let's see if PFE's done shit. Daily, nothing yet. Daily sell, weekly. Daily, weekly sell, PFE. Yeah, let it go down. It's going to hook, come back down. PFE is going to go down to $21. Be careful with that. And then look for PFE. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Actually, love this. Let me see a 12-month. Absolutely. $29, $40. Yeah, I can live with that one. That's a good one to call. Starbucks, I basically call it because I love the iced passion fruit. It is a daily, weekly sell. Down to where? It's going to dip a little lower. Be careful with Starbucks, but eventually it's going to flip around. 3 month, calling it to $94. And where was I calling it back here? Starbucks. 101. Yeah, absolutely. NAS is in the money again. SPX is in the money again. You have take profits hit for 1 and 2 on all indices, as I called out just a little bit ago for you. All right, next, Flow. Flow is a daily, weekly sell. Follow this down. It is 3 month buy stop. It's actually really nice. It's gorgeous. 6 month buy stop for Flow. 6 month, 12 month buy stop for Flow. $14, $18.63, $23. Let's set what we called for Flow. Yeah, I stick with that one. That's a nice little call.
Demo trade only.
Oxy.
I am not a financial advisor.
Oxy's very, very good. Let's see why we're getting hit on this one. Oh, no, we're good. Oh, it is a daily, weekly sell. Fuck. Oxy can go down to $36.16. If you want to wait, feel free. If you don't, just be very, very patient for this to develop. This is a 6 month, 12 month buy stop. $50.96, $62, and eventually over $79. And what did I call back here? 19. Oh, yeah, for sure. That's a given.
Demo trade only.
You're in the money on the
I am not
NQ1
a
call.
financial advisor.
You're in the money on all the indice calls, maybe except for US 30, but that's fine. You can get it later. TM. Jeez, it doesn't stop. More money. Every time you hear a little dingy, that's another correct call, and another correct call, and another correct call, and another. Oh, my goodness. TM1. TM1 is a beautiful, man. That thing's gone straight up. That's really nice. TM1 is a weekly, three weekly monthly buy stop. TM1 is $206. What did I call for this one? 210. Yeah, I can stick with that. It's a beautiful call. And you're in the money already anyways. Doesn't matter. So good one on that. Good morning, Lachey. All right. ASML. I think this thing has gone through the roof. Yeah. ASML is hit on my, what did I call an ASML? I know that take profits is hit. $923. We blew right past that. $923 was my call, and there you are. So we're right there. ASML is hit take profits. Let me see what we got left to go. Look at it. Look at that perfect daily, weekly buy stop. 3 week. 3 week monthly buy stop. 3 monthly. Yep. ASML is now a closed trade. ASML has hit every take profit I called out. It's going to join the ranks of Amazon and those. AT&T. We called it correctly already. It's hit the take profits, but I was calling up to go up a little bit more. Let's see what we got for AT&T. AT&T. Oh, did I close it? Yeah. Oh. So AT&T's off this active list. My bad. It's still going to go. AT&T is going to $33.99.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
How's the Bree-bot coming, says Lazarus. Yep, we'll go over that in a little bit. Bitcoin. It's also a closed trade. I've called out Bitcoin correctly since it was $26,500. It went up exactly. It's in a daily buy stop. It's going back exactly where I told you it's going to go. It'll go to $118,765. It'll go to $124,960, whatever that is. Eventually, Bitcoin will go past 125,000, and then it will go past 130,000. Ethereum, I've called Ethereum correctly, as Larry as my witness knows. It's also in a daily buy. It'll be going past 4,700. I don't really care anymore. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are all closed. They've all done exactly as I told you they would. XRP will be going back to $3.24. XLM will be going back to 44 cents. ASML we just did. Amazon, take any 30-minute buy stop on Amazon only because I love it. It's also considered a closed trade, 100% accurately called trade since $91 a share. It'll go back up over $237.83. Netflix, it's completely overvalued, but it will be going back over $1,268. I wouldn't trade Netflix if I were you. NVIDIA,
Demo trade only. I am not a
30-minute buy
advisor.
stops until it hits $179.72. Johnson & Johnson, 30-minute buy stops until it hits $177. These are all closed trades. Every one of these symbols has been 100% called correctly. AMD, take 30-minute buy stops until $166.40, and then it will go to $174.42.
Demo trade only.
Thank you,
I am
Lachey.
not a financial advisor.
Feels good to be back. Costco, been calling this correctly forever. I'm just calling this one just for one of our members who happens to have a lot of it. It is a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. Yeah. It'll be going back to, where's it at? $990.24 for Costco. McDonald's, since basically a year now, 11/5, coming up on a year, I've been calling McDonald's correctly. It's a closed trade. I'm going to keep calling it correctly. It's going to be going to $311.03. Microsoft is also a closed trade. I've called it correctly for years now at this point. It's getting ridiculous. Microsoft will be going back to $520.81. Hilton is a closed trade. Hilton will be going back to $271.67. Google, my goodness, my signal service has been calling out Google and Hilton correctly for over a year now. It's just too high. Google is off the charts. We've been calling it way, way, way back here, just in June and April of this year when it was at $168. It's just too late. I wouldn't trade Google anymore, but you guys do what you want. I'm not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not
Apple
a financial
also
advisor.
closed. Look, Apple has now just finished its second correct calling for Apple. Recent has been done. Obviously, this is a weekly buy stop for Apple. We called this out in November of last year, and there it is, 100% accurately called. Tesla doing exactly as I told you Tesla would do. Oh my gosh, it hit the take profits again on Tesla. Holy shit. Wow. Yep, as I called out again, I wanted Elon to give me $1 billion, but I guess he's not going to give me $1 billion, but that's all right, Elon. I still like you. You're a good person. You're trying your best out there. United Healthcare. Let's see how United's doing. Oh, we're just getting started with United. United is a daily, weekly sell. United can go back down to $240, but I don't care. Take any buy stop you can find on it. United is a gimme play. United is a 3-month buy. We've already made great. I got some options on that. $375, $417, $459 on United. It's absolutely a 100% recommendation buy by me.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
NVO, let me go down to the daily here. Daily, weekly, sell. Sell to $39.77. Then look for the buy stop. 3-month buy. $67.60, $78.30, $95.43. That's a very good one. There's other better ones, but that's still very good for NVO. Qualcomm. Oh yeah. QCOM. I love this. I have this little Publix account I'm using. Oh, it's so cute. We are making so much money. It's just getting started. We've already made correct calls. Qualcomm will be going to 176 and then to 191. Where's my Qualcomm? Hold on one second, guys. Qualcomm, I sent, where did I put that at? I sent it. Miss me, I'm back. No, I didn't miss you. Get out of there. Update my previous calls. No. Shoot fire. Hold on one second. Where we at? I don't know. Okay, we need to, how do I post? Oh, I know what I can do here. Here. Is this it? Let me see. Yeah. This is a QCOM long call. Where am I at? Let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. No. Here. Yes. This one. Yes. This one. Yes. These options, a lot of you should probably look into trading options. It's a little trickier than you might think, but let me see right here. Because the reason why options, they absorb, let me be clear on this. This Qualcomm went down, blah, 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 blah. We're up 54% on it already. But the options can absorb the down blows very, very, very easily. That goes for your binary options on Nadex. It goes for these kind of options on Public or Thinkorswim or just any kind of options. They absorb the long-term options, the leaps, whatever you want to call them, with a lot of time, they call it theta. It's so stupid how they make these they complicate everything. If you go out a long period of time, you have a lot of theta. Ooh, you have a lot of time. So just go out. I usually pull them to the year. I'll go out if I'm trading in June. I'll go out till June of the following year, or July or August, whatever version I'm on, whatever time frame I'm on. But this is one of the trades. And then, yeah, it's an option absorbs the down. Like if QCOM goes down initially, who cares? You just absorb. You don't care if it goes negative. You don't give a shit where it goes to. You know it's going to flip around and go back up again. So is there many of you out there? You want me to go in a little more detail with options? You want me to explain them a little bit more? Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Yeah, Kirk's doing it with Intel. Good morning, Kaya, Alex. Good morning, Orlando Walters. But if you guys want me to go into a little more detail, but when you get your options, the way that I'm calling these, because some of these are 3 month, 6 month, 12-month options, you can't do a intraday option. You can't do a binary option on gold if I'm calling a weekly buy on Friday on Nadex, because it'll get destroyed. All right. So options. How can I show what options are, though? How do I show you the options? Grant says, go for it. Well, I'm going to keep it as simple as I can. You have long calls. So you have a call option and a put. A call option means it's going to go up. A put means it's going to go down. I don't know if I've ever done a put option in the last fucking 3, 4, 5 years. I don't know, maybe. But at any rate, I'm only doing buys because all these are buy stops that you're looking at long term. Okay, so this is your symbol right here. Qualcomm. This is your 180 was the strike price. How do I explain this? Oh, shit. I'm probably going to have to do a whole segment, like a whole show just on options for you guys, but I'll give you the rough rundown here. And by no means am I an expert at it. I just know I've been trading options since 2001 when I did my first Intel option, actually. We did AMD and Intel options back then, and Marvel. Marvel was around before Disney bought it out and before it went bankrupt. And that's your strike price. It's called. Long means it's, in this case, long is a leap. It's a long-term option. What's the definition of that, Grant, or anybody knows? I think it's like anything over 6 months is a leap. It's a call. It expires June the 18th, 2026, and I bought one of them in this account. And we're up 54% on that particular trade. So I'm up $527.14 on this one call. So if it goes over $180, and I have a lot of time left on it, that's why it's so much right now. If it goes over 180. So if we look again on, I hope that was a decently explanation of options. Options, you're going to get into theta and beta and gamma and all this shit. Who the fuck cares? Just go out a year, 9 months, go out 9 months to a year. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And only look for calls. You do not want to go into puts, well, to any of the symbols I trade anyways. I would never do that. Now, if I was going to go into Nadex and I was going to drop in, Nadex are called binary options. You either win or you lose the whole thing based off $100. These ones, this one right here is a normal option, quote unquote. It's a regular option. You can lose everything you put into it very easily, or you can win a fucking shit ton of money. Not just $100, obviously. I'm up $500 on this trade. But it takes out the whole, gee, I wonder if it's going to go up. I wonder if it's going to go down. So if we go over to Qualcomm right now, right, and I have 180 strike, well, I think it's going to go I know it's going to go up to $193.46, and then it's going to go up to $225. So I knew when it was down here, wherever I bought it, that Qualcomm was going to go there. It's just a matter of was it going to go there in a month, 6 months, a year, however long it was going to take to get there. Qualcomm was going here. So it was a buy stop. It was a daily, weekly buy stop. It was a 3 weekly buy stop. It was a 3 week monthly buy stop. So Qualcomm was just a no-brainer. It was easy. So because I knew where it was going to go before it was going to go there, I went out, took the option, and then because Public is a brokerage house, I just took one in the small account, but I have other accounts, lots of other accounts. And then this is what that one looks like. So I hope, does that make a little sense for everybody? I hope that made a little sense. But see, with options, I don't give a fuck. I don't care if price goes down to here. As long as I know in a year it's going to be up to there, well, the orange line right here, that's all I care about. So with options, you can just let it sit, rot. I don't care. If you guys are trying to do your fucking scalping and everything every day off of 10-second, 15-second trades, it's the complete opposite. I don't care where the bottom is. I don't care how low it goes. As long as I know within the year we're going to be up to where, it's going to be, which is on this weekly, it's going to be right here in a year and already is well on its way there. It's going to be to this yellow line, then to this orange line, period. So as long as I know where that's going in that year, I just throw an option in. I don't give a fuck if it's a buy stop, sell stop, whatever it is. I just take the fucking money. And you make your money. I did the same thing on my other one too. I think, I have an Intel and I have a Match one it made money on. They all made money. Everything I called on those made money. All right. Well, anyways, I hope that helped and didn't confuse you all, but it's very, very safe way, easy way. I know options are the number one way to lose money, but the way I play them, it's very, very safe. You pick a strike price, like when it's down at 150, I pick 180. And I know where the fuck it's going. So it's just easy money. You just sit there and wait for it to flip and come back in the money. I guess I can go and look. Hold on a second. I didn't pay shit for that option. Let me see. I don't know if it's closed right now, but let me see. All right. Let's see. My option was, I paid $974.86 for that option. It's up $527.14. Yep. Max profit is unlimited, which it is. And my max loss would be the $975, $974.86, which it is. It's so simple. I don't know how else to word it. It's just so easy to take that trade. I know I'm not doing a good explanation for you guys. But options are just a way to absorb any long-term leaps or any way of the downturns. We don't give a fuck. I don't care if Disney goes down. I just buy more options anyways. It's going to flip and go back up again. Oh no, the screen froze up. Fuck, hold on. Let's see. Da-da-da. No, I look pretty good. My screen is moving on my side. Larry, anybody else? Sog? Anybody out there? Do you guys see the movement of the screen? I'll put it like this. Little green arrow moving around. YouTube screen is stuck. Oh, really? Not on my side. How the hell can I be looking at YouTube and it's clear? Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. There we go. Stop sharing. Move that out of the way. All right, you guys should be refreshed. Let's see if it's better. Frozen. Okay, is it any better now? Yeah, I see it absolutely moving on my end. It's weird how my YouTube can show live, though. Give it a few seconds. It'll come up. It's about 15-second delay on YouTube from what I say to what you guys hear, which I wish you could take out the delay on it. Da-da-da. All right. So for Qualcomm, I'm going to hold my options even longer. Thank you, guys. I'm going to hold it at least till it hits the yellow right here. And then I'm going to be holding it most likely until it hits the orange. So if I'm already up 50%, shit, I'll be up double, triple, probably even 300%, 400% of my money by the time it gets there. And that's for Qualcomm. So Qualcomm is still a very strong buy. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Barry. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Orlando. Thank you, David. Thank you, Lachey. Thank you, Kirk and Grant. All right, so that's Qualcomm. Strongest buy recommendation I can give for any stock is on Qualcomm. Disney. Let's take a look at Disney. All right. Disney is another one. Super strong buy. Yes, it can dip, but no, it's going to go up. Yeah, I love this Disney. This Disney is a 117 take profit, 118 take profit, 120 take profit. I love Disney. How much buying do I have in that one? Yeah, I think Disney's getting ready to pop. 6 months. Let me see the 3 month. A little high. Yeah, Disney's a good strong one for Disney.
Demo trade only. I am not
Intel.
a financial advisor.
Okay, this is Intel. I was told by somebody, oh, Intel to the blue line. Oh my gosh, gorgeous to the daily blue line touch. Intel is a daily buy to the blue line, but it also is a daily weekly sell. So be careful with that as this goes forward. Intel can and most likely will flip and come back down to $19.45, just a heads up there. But if you can survive that little hit, Intel is a 6-month, 12-month buy stop, super, super strong. I mean, Intel eventually, after it dips down, will be going to $32, $37, $43, $48. Love Intel long term.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Now I have a match one, so I have to take a look here pretty closely. I want to see what I'm going to pull out of this thing. No, match is just getting started, but let's see what's happening down on this level. No, buy. Buy. Match is a buy. Then it turns into a weekly, 3-weekly sell. 3-weekly, monthly sell. I don't care. Long term, it is a 6-month buy. So daily buy to the blue line match is $48.01 is your take profit. I'll sell my options I have in match when it hits that. But it is a very strong buy till there. FedEx. Let's see what's going on with FedEx. Yeah, this is a 12-hour. Oh, touchdown to the blue line. Told you. Look at FedEx pre-market. That is cheating, by the way. Look at how big gap that is. Wow, that's crazy. All right, FedEx is a buy. 3-week buy. Monthly buy. 3-monthly buy. FedEx. I like it. Yeah, that's why I put it on the list. FedEx take profit is going to be $243, $253.84, $271.79 for FedEx. Love the trade. P&G. Let's see why I was daily sell 12-hour. Nope, we're on that buy. We're kicking it. Told you. It's already up a good bit, by the way. There is a daily sell ricochet back down to $151 on FedEx. I wouldn't, well, as soon as that's over with, it is a 3-week monthly buy stop. FedEx is. It'll be going to $160.80, $166.12. I just love these take profits. $171.97 for P&G. Sorry if I said FedEx. eQuix is a daily sell to the blue line, but that's okay. After it's done with that, it'll be a monthly buy stop. This EQIX, $818, $860, $876. Love it, love it, love it.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
JHX, sell, 12-hour sell, daily sell. Sell to the 1556. And then look for a 3-month buy stop, take profit, $21, $25, and $29. That's fine. I'll keep that on my list. ED. I like making fun of it because it is funny to make fun of, but let's see. Did it do? Yep, it went down. Told you. ED is going down to $93.05. The irony does not miss us. 3-week buy stop. $98.07, $102 for ED. EUR USD is, I don't know, what's it doing? EUR USD. Oh, there you go. Told you. Is this the daily? What was this? Yep. This went up to EUR USD, went September 18th. It went up to 1.19397. Gee, I don't know if anyone here told you it was going there a million times because one of our members always asked me about this. But it is going back to 1.18335. Absolutely it is. And that is EUR USD. And then it's going to go to 1.8932. And then you'll see it to 1.20. And that is EUR USD. Again, I like other symbols better than that. I would play the G GJs and all that stuff, but that's it. All right, we are done.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
We are done. I might update the list. I don't know. When might I update the list, you wonder? Probably sometime October, November. Maybe I'll do it next month. But these will all be hit over the next 6 months, year. These will all be hit. So there you go. And that's everybody. Cryptos. All perfectly cryptos, all perfect stocks. And there you go. Hopefully that helps some of you to make demo money only. Once you make your demo money, please remember to have karma come back on you in a good way. Always buy the system, support what made you your money. And there you go. We are done.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Does anybody have any questions over those call outs? And let's see if I hope there's a lot more thumbs up on YouTube. Oh no, you guys are doomed. Oh shit. Okay. I'm going to listen to one song. You guys have, there's 30 something of you watching on YouTube. There's only 16 thumbs up. Oh, wait, have it been that long since I've been there? I'll need some more thumbs up. I'm going to welcome everybody on TikTok. What's up, Lazarus, Old School Mick, Larry? What's up, Dan? Welcome to the channel. Sog, what's up, buddy? It's my time. Aussie Trader. We're in Quebec. Welcome to the channel. And then, hey, what's up, Miami Rocks? What's up, Miami Rocks? I think it was the first one on. Enrique, welcome to the channel. And Harry13. I need a lot more thumbs up for me to stay live on YouTube. I guess I'm going to have to go. Yeesh. All right, I'll give you to the two songs. So I'm going to play this one. All right, this is our theme song. Yes, this channel has a theme song.
Choose your weapon. Your SP at you know it's already low. You haven't got the block. You haven't got the sniper.
Need more thumbs up on YouTube to stay. You have the end of this song.
Line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out, one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did chance, game over, it's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I meant today. I was forged in the dark, you fake traders better run from the bark in the park. We gon' take it, trend lines, head and shoulder patterns. Feet Fibonacci, you make me laugh. You get my buck up off the floor the old ways. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Safety trade system.
Nice. Nice. I really like that song a lot, and the Brie one. All right. Oh, we're dipping. Nice. We have another buy opportunity coming in. You have a buy off the 2-minute buy stop that was already called this morning. If you'd have listened to me, 2,400. Well, here, we'll just grab this little handy tool. You'd have gotten in here according to the rules, and you would have made over 22 pips on NAS, 22 pips on NQ1. That's 44 pips. And then you would have made another 20 pips on US 30 and YM1. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80. And then you would have probably made at least whatever this number is right here to here. So about 4 pips on ES1. So that's about 10, 20, 40, 60, 80. You'd have been make 90 pips this morning if you'd have played all the indices 2-minute buy that I called out when I first did it. What's up, Yard Dog? Oh, don't know if I'm leaving yet. I'm stalling, trying to give you guys time to get your thumbs up. Oh, there you go. 25 out of 28. Much better. Nope, I'm staying. Poor yard dog. He's like, is he going? Is he coming? Morning, Aussie Trader. What's up, Aussie Trader? All right. Reissuing a buy stop. See, it's going down again. Some of you are... What was it yesterday I was looking at for you guys? Hold on. It was in the Discord. Hold on a second. Hold on. It was... where is it? Damn, someone called out something really good. It was Wheezy. Yeah, that's a really good one. Oh, that's a video. Yeah, he liked that video. No, it doesn't change anything. Lock in your trades, trust the system. No, damn, I can't find out where the person wrote it in at. No. Shoot fire. At any rate, he made this call. It was a really good call. Oh, I think it was in the public display, actually. Hold on. Was that? No, that was the public one, was where he thanked me. Public chat right here. Who knew you could block emails? Yeah, that was funny. Just want to say thank you. Thank you, old school Mike. And Bob renewed. Dang it. Where was the call out this person made? Should be in the call out, but whatever. Please support, sniper, coming soon. No, it wasn't there. Maybe it just got swarmed over in the learning room, probably. I want to give credit to the guy, though, because he called it out perfectly. Yeah. Damn. Could have been here. Good job, Parker. Yeah, I always keep a very small lot size. Some of you drive me bonkers with that. Well, how am I supposed to give credit to somebody? I can't find what they said. Driving home from work, says Aussie Trader. Well, glad you have a job. Hopefully get you retired from trading, Aussie. XM called 10-minute buy. Stop, says Guyberger. What's up, Guyberger? XM. Good job, Guyberger. Good morning, by the way. Yeah, somebody made a 1-hour call. XM called 10-minute buy stop. I don't think that was it. I thought it was a 1-hour call. Well, anyways, I just want to give credit because I was going to try to show you what it looks like right here. Watch. All right. We're on a 2-minute buy. Let me explain something to you guys. Here comes the fun part of things. All right, here we go. Starts under, comes up, forms our logo, forms the first time logo, forms a dip right here for the first time, then a dip right here. Okay, this is what you're looking at. This is our logo. Oh, Barry Deutsch, XM. I was looking for Barry Deutsch. Says, I'm in the learning room, XM. Oh, did I thank you, Barry Deutsch? Hold on, maybe that's what they're trying to tell me, and I'm slow to pick up on it. In the learning room, XM. I must have liked what he said. Hold on. Yes. 10-minute at 10:30. What Forex time was that, Barry? Thank you, Barry. Congratulations. Barry Deutsch made a perfect call read on that 10-minute buy stop. But I did want to show, what time was that? 10:30 a.m. is 17:50. Is that right? 17:50. Hold on. Let's go over to here. Let's take this down. I'll teach you all that in a second anyways. 17:50 yesterday. So that would have been here, here. I believe that's the Forex time he was at, somewhere near there anyways. Let's go to a 10-minute and see what that looks like at that time. Yes, okay. So why? This is perfect. There you go, Barry. Thank you, XM. Thank you, Barry Deutsch. Appreciate you, sir. Now let's look at this. This is what we're going to do. This is what he called. Okay. So right here, Barry had called out accurately a 10-minute buy stop. See, you're about to teach everybody what you were looking at, Barry. All right. So this is what you guys have to get clear on. It is so fucking cool. Watch. The system is just stunningly amazing. Stunningly, amazingly accurate. Okay. So this is what Barry was looking at right here. He was looking at his buy stop. My system is made for beginners. You don't need to have anything else. But watch how cool this is. Wait till even Barry's going to like this one. Okay. Watch this. This is so fucking cool. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. It wasn't quite a 10-minute. The orange line wasn't below the green, but we could have went down to probably like the 8-minute and saw that. But pink crossing the blue, blah, blah, blah. So it's perfection. So this trade right here is awesome. This is the first leg of our symbol. It goes red right here. So this is our below. Comes up, hooks, comes back down. This is what makes this system so fucking cool. Say you all were late to the party. You didn't listen to Barry. You didn't listen to XM. He called it out before it happened. The 10-minute buy was absolute perfection. What you do is this. This is where you can enter in at. This is so fucking cool. This is our logo. Red comes back up, comes back down, comes back up. And let me show you. So this is a 10-minute, right? If we go down to the, I don't know, probably somewhere in the 30-second, give or take, so whether it was a 15-second or 1 minute, you're going to see a 30-second buy stop right here when it forms our logo. What is our logo, just so we're clear? We come back over to our little thing. And our cool little bull thing right here where it has the bull, which is the coolest thing ever. Green hooks come back up thanks to KeyJ who made it 3D. I can show you what 3D. See that little thing right there? Boop, boop, boop. Matter of factly, hold on. Let me show you what the logo looks like. It is so fucking cool. Is this it? Okay. This right here is our logo. The cool green thing on the back right here, this arrow. It starts below, comes up, hooks back down. Kind of looks like my orange arrow right there. Isn't that fucking cool? I love our logo. Anywho, right here. If you come over to here, that's the logo. Starts low, comes up. This pullback right here is actually the safety trade. You're going to go, what? Yes. So get this through your guys' head. This is your buy stop, right? Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. When it does its pullback right here, which some clown, one of our members, which I'm going to give him a pass because he's new, he's got to shut his pie hole. Well, it doesn't always pull back. It doesn't matter if it always pulls back or not. When it does fucking pull back, it forms our logo. So this is our buy stop. Pink, purple, blue, all low, pink crosses, blah, 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 green, 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 red, buy stop, 10 minute. But if we go back to right here, watch this shit. This is so fucking cool. You go back to right here, right? You will see a 1 minute buy. I'd have to go back and look. So let's go ahead and look. Watch this. And this is why some of you guys get caught. You get too hyper. Well, I jumped in on this 10-minute block. Okay. Then just be patient. Oh, shit. Just be patient. Just be patient. Jiminy Christmas. Watch. And now we're going to go over to this one so I can see multiples at once. Okay, just chill. We're good. All right, let's go over to here. You're in the money on all those 2-minute, 3-minute buy stops that I called. All of them are in the money. All of them are in the money. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. And do we have that built in? No, but it was 18th at 17:30. This is so cool what I'm teaching you. So fucking cool. Where did it go? Did it go there? Am I on the wrong date? Hold on, I must be on the 19th. No. 18. What the fuck? Why is it doing that? Hold on. Huh. That ain't right. There it is. Yeah, that was weird. Okay. So look. Let me go here. Let me go to 2-minute. Nope. Let's go back down here to that 1 minute. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So here it is. Our logo, right? So this is the logo, came below, came up, hooked, came back down, and hooked and came up. This right here is the 10-minute safety trade. Some of you are going to go, well, no, that's a buy stop on the blah, blah. It is. But when it hooks back down, it gives you another re-entry, right? Gives you another re-entry right here on the 1 minute, like I called, actually. I said it'd be the, so yeah, 30-second even. I'm sure you can go down there, but watch. This right here is the pullback. Is this making sense to anyone? Maybe I'm tired. Look, starts underneath, hooks up, comes back, logo. This right here, when it does its little pullback right there, will create this 1 minute buy stop off your 10-minute buy. So this right here is your buy stop. Everybody knows, or the people have been with me. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, pink cross the blue. You come over to here, there's your pink cross, your blue, and this is your logo. This is the actual second entry. 7s, if you guys understand that. 9s, if you do not. I'm beginning to think I've lost many of you on this explanation, but it's so fucking cool. This right here, this number 1, is this buy stop right here. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm getting through to you guys. So if you're super patient, it does this on the 1 hour buy stops. It does this on a daily buy stops. As a matter of fact, we just did this off the weekly buy stop for all your indices. Now, oh, good. You guys are understanding it? Yay. 7, 7, 7. Okay. So as opposed to somebody said, well, I don't see how that was a 10-minute buy, blah, blah, blah. Well, then just wait for the pullback and get the damn 1-minute buy stop with the logo. That's why we have a fucking cool ass logo. It's not just for coolness sake. Thank God for this. Signals are fire. The sniper is fire. The Uno robot, the Bree bot. Yeah, it's your buy stop inside the buy stop. Correct, Grant. All right. And by the way, it did it again here, just so we're all clear on the subject. But this is the second part of our logo. Started underneath, came up above. Oops, came up above, boom, 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 right? And there it is again. Okay. No other system has this. No other system is, in my mind, as clear as what you're witnessing. So fucking easy. I mean, come on. I'm back, says Kurt Brown. Yay, Kirk. I didn't know you were gone, buddy. All right. So I hope that made sense to everybody. I hope you're all on the same page with that. It's like taking candy from a baby. See, so look. Watch this one. You guys are going to laugh your ass off. This is an as. We're going to go to the 1 minute. We're going to go over here to thing. And we're going to go over to here to this. And let's go over to there. Okay, let's go over to this one. Okay. A lot of you will recognize this. We're going to go way down. Let's go to maybe a 5 second, 10 second. Let's go to 10 seconds, see what it looks like. Yeah, there you go. And then we can go to 15 second. Okay, watch. Now see, again, for you scalpers out there and you funded traders, price action started below, came up, hooked the very first time, okay, and came up. This is on NAS 1 minute. Well, if we take a look at this, watch, right? This is your buy stop, pink cross blue, buy stop, boom, boom, boom. Say you missed it. You just re-enter right here on the actual pullback, and this will be your 15-second buy stop, pink cross blue, green, 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 red. Orange is below the green and the red. You go enter on your orange, and there it is. And there's your buy stop on a 15-second, 1 minute scalp. And that's how you trade it. See, some of you get so, well, he's calling a buy, he's calling a sell, and I don't understand how he calls a buy, and I don't understand, how could there be a sell? Well, there it is on a 1 minute, 15 second, and it just happened. That's why all my alarms were going off. Is any of this helping you guys? Yes or no? Is this helping? Yes or no? I don't want to confuse you. I want to help you all. It's so easy to see once you get the feel for things. What's up, Big Calico Kid? What's up, Big Calico Kid? Welcome to the channel. I don't know if you're new here or not. I don't recognize your name. First time, great. Second time, good. Third time, correct. The first time it happens is the best time. The Ricky Bobby trade, which some dingbat named Stevie didn't understand, and I don't want to talk about him. Okay. Great help. Thanks. Awesome. Yes, says Grant. Okay, good. All right. It's my time. Yes. Calico Kid. Yes. Okay. So when you see the logo, not only is it the coolest fucking thing that you've ever seen on earth, right? But that little thing on the back, see how mine kind of looks? See that right there? My drawing sucks. This is a 3D animation that moves. But my little orange line looks very, very, very similar to the logo on the bull. See that? And it also works on sell stops. That's why the bull looks like that. That's why these things look like that. That's why we have them like this. Now give it up for the bull. Thank you, Key J. Palmer. And of course, thanks to Keith Palmer. Please keep Keith in your prayers, by the way. More training reps. Nice. Got it, Coach. Thanks. You're welcome, Larry. All right. So there you go. So this is our buy stop. Green, 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 red. Buy stop. Boom, boom, boom. Could have got in. But if you missed it, just re-enter off the actual logo, the pullback on the 1 minute, and that'd be like a 15-second. It could have been a 30-second. It could have been a whatever, 5-second, 10-second, depending. But this happens to be perfect. And those are pink cross to blue, the lowest point of the trade on the pullback. Boom, and there it goes up. I don't know. I know of no other system that can follow the rules, be so fucking clear, and it's just exactly as it's told to you, taught to you. It's exactly that way. I don't know. I think the system is amazing. Every day is just so beautiful. So fucking beautiful. What time is it? 7:11. Okay, good. All right. We've already made shit tons of call outs. Let's see here. Let's move that there. Let's go here. And let's go over to YouTube. Trading View. There we go. Alert. So we've had all these correct calls this morning. All of those were correct. So we're probably about 20, 25 maybe. Yay. I love that little explanation. I hope it helps you guys a little bit. What is this time period? Oh, we're still weekly now. We're resetting again, it looks like. Let me see if we go down to the 10-second blue line. Let's go over to here. Ricochet, sell stop to the 10-second blue line. Hold on, how many of these? All indices, ricochet. It's going to arch up, come back up. Pink's going to come back down. It's going to look like this. It's going to come up, hook, and come down. This is going to hook and come up like that, and then come back down like that. So this. Now I would never trade these cells. You guys do with this what you want, but that's what it's going to look like. You'll see this pink hook and come down and hook and come down and hook and come down. You got to see this purple join at first, and then that'll hook like that, and then that'll hook like that. And those are 10-second, 5-second, 10-second sell stop, all indices. I would never play those. The only thing I would ever play are buy stops, and we're looking at a 2-minute buy stop, all indices. This is where it's going to go back up to, right there. And then it's going to go to there. And then it's going to go to here. We'll hear a whole bunch of more money dingies here in just a second. Listen to the money. I am tired, boy. Hell of a vacation. For those of you joining late, I don't know if I left it up. Did I leave it up? Hold on. Pi connector. No. I thought I did. Hold on. Maybe it's over here. Did I not leave that up? What the fuck? Hold on. Under the sea. Under the sea. We did a Royal Caribbean cruise, and holy shit. was it extremely nice. We're now booking another one. And what you see here looks like it's like a drawing, like it's pretend. Oh no, that's the actual fucking ship. It's incredible. I don't even know. They call them the icon classes. They have 2 right now. And there's another one coming. But yeah. It is crazy. I can't recommend Royal Caribbean enough, and no, they're not paying this for me. I mean, this is just what you're seeing this is a fucking cruise ship. A fucking cruise ship. Insanity. Anywho, can't recommend it high enough. Yeah, this is a atrium they have, like a central park inside the cruise ship. I think it was $2 billion to make. Anyhow, can't recommend it strong enough. Anyhow, all right. Great memories. 2-minute buy, stop all indices for like the 3rd time this morning. Knock yourselves out. I would be careful with US 30 and YM1. I'm leaning the sell has to come in first for those. So just be careful with those. Morning, Filio. Glad to be back. Guyberger, higher the time frame, buy, stop. Yeah, absolutely, Guyberger. 100% true. What's up, Trusted Kicks? Looks great. I don't know if you're talking about the cruise ship, but yeah, it was. It's insane. I got to be honest with you guys. I'm getting a little tired. All right. Do you guys want me to go over anything else this morning? I don't think I'm going to stay on through open. It's too far away. I'm too tired. I'm about ready to go back to sleep. Just wanted to come back on. I'll come back on later this evening, though. Does anybody want me to go over anything in particular? Did anyone lose any trades that they didn't understand? If you want me to go over anything, speak up now, please. Any questions at all, ask. TikTokers, any questions before I get rolling? I thought it was a very nice explanation. Oh, someone wants me to look at MSTR. I swear we looked at that one multiple times. I don't know if I hated it or not, but it doesn't sit well. It sounds funny to me. All right, let's go to MSTR. NASDAQ. All right, let's go to like a low time frame. Sell. Where's it going to? 1 minute. Sell to the 1 minute blue line. $342.06. Forming. Nope. We need to go higher. 15-minute buy stop. Forming a 15-minute buy stop. $349.01 take profit. $351.03 take profit. $354.14 take profit. Going to the 30-minute blue line. It's going to ricochet, come back up, touch this blue line. Tell me when I'm right on this, by the way. Who is this? Thomas Mayhew. Make sure you get back and thank me when I make this correct call for you. $351.71. Then it's going to go up to $363.17. And then it's going to go up to, yeah, that's the same thing. Then it's going to go up to, nope, that's good enough. 4-hour sell. 9-hour, don't care for a 9-hour sell. 12-hour sell. $320.98. Weekly buy. Daily. Nope, weekly, I was right. Weekly buy stop. And then it will go back to 355.09, 387.71. And then eventually it'll go way past that, whatever that is up there. Can you check out gold? Already did check out gold. Called it this morning. Good morning, Flacco. It is I forgot what it's going down. It's going down to somewhere, then it's a buy. Hi, Kevin. Can you look at JD? Yes, we can look at JD. I am tired though. I'm going to really am going to go. I'm tired. What is a JD? This thing? This is J. Did he say JD? Can you look at JD? I guess I'll do JD on NAS. Sure. JD on NAS. 1 hour. Oh, nice little buy. 4-hour. AVNT. And 12-hour. Oh, there you go. Buy stop to the 12-hour blue line, whoever this is. Who the fuck was this? JD. $35.91. Let's see. Daily sell. Daily, weekly sell, but I don't like that. I'll go to the buy here. I'm going to skip over the daily sell. Oh, we don't give enough history. Uh-oh. Can't call it. There's not enough of my... Yeah, I can't call it long-term for you. I don't know. It looked to me to be a buy, but I can't call that for JD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You're welcome, Flacco. Paul Orlando, thank you. You're welcome, Paul. AVNT. Sure, Guyberger, because it's Guyberger, and I like Guyberger. AVNT. Aviant. Aviant? Aviant. Let's see, whatever this thing is. 1 hour. It's a sell earlier. Let me see what that's going to. All right, skip it then. Sell. Ricochet. $35.64, 30-minute sell. 4-hour buy. Nice. 2-hour to the 2-hour blue line. To the 1-hour blue line. Okay. Buy stop to the 1-hour blue line. $36.61. Buy stop 4-hour to the 4-hour blue line. $39.36. Daily. Daily buy. Weekly. Daily, weekly. Nope. Sell. Daily sell. 3-week. Buy. Monthly. 3 month. 3 month. That's nice. This is nice. Oh, yeah. I like this. Hold on. 3 month. Pink crossed. Yeah. Little. Are you late? No, kind of. You could have got in that first push. It is a monthly, 3-monthly buy stop for AVNT. Oh, shit, it's a crypto. Fuck. Well, I like the damn stock. Avian Corp. That's a good stock. I bet you it's better than your crypto, by the way. AVNT, crypto cap, market cap. Binance. Is it not on Coinbase? There it is. AVNT. Hopefully this is the one he wants. I kind of like the stock, though. That was really nice. What? What do we got going on here? 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. There's no history on this? What the fuck is that? Okay. Stock's better than the fucking crypto. I don't know. I can't read this. There's not enough history to read the crypto. Sorry, Guy Burger. You're welcome, Thomas. All right, that's it. We're calling it. All right, guys. Everybody on TikTok, God bless. Y'all have a great afternoon. Morning and afternoon. I should be on way later today. We'll see. All right, God bless you on TikTok. All right, YouTubers, anything quickly? Questions before I leave? All right. Anybody have any questions on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live, X? Before I go, you're welcome, Guy Burger. All right, well, good to be back. Hopefully I'll be talking to you later today, maybe tomorrow morning, but probably later today. We'll see. All right, God bless you all. Everyone have a great day. Talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for being here. Well, that was a nice, easy comeback. Hopefully they all made it.